Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So yesterday we had the bug fixing update for Windows 11 21H2 and Windows 10 22H2. Now it looks like there's a little problem with these two updates. On Windows 10, the KB5028244, and on Windows 11 it's KB5027303. So what it causes is an issue with video recording that is happening. So if you have video recording, playback, or capture that are using the WVC1 codec, Microsoft confirms that there's an issue and it doesn't work. Now what is happening is that you don't have to uninstall anything. You don't have to uninstall the update on Windows 10 or 11 21H2. Microsoft is using a feature that is the known issue rollback. So basically what happens is that it will actually happen on its own within 24 hours without you having to do anything. So if you have that issue, it should be okay within the next 48 hours, as Microsoft will actually operate with the known rollback issue that they have the capability of deploying at a distance, which of course will let them of course work on that. So it says they do say that it might take up to 24 hours for the resolution to propagate automatically to consumer devices. So restarting your Windows device might help the resolution apply to your device faster. So you can check that out. It should be fixing itself without you having to do anything on Windows 11 21H2 and Windows 10 22H2 if you do have such an issue with the playback, recording, capture using the famous codec, WVC1 codec, or often called VC1. So if that's what you use by default, it works with the other codecs. If you change your codec, it's okay, but that codec in particular has a problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.